My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. It's going to be my Allure beauty box unboxing for the month of September. So here's what it looks like this month. It's a little different. It's in a white box. They have been sending us like these clear bags. So I don't know if this is a one-time change or if it's permanent, but if you would like to see what I got inside my Allure beauty box, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. So Allure Beauty Box is a beauty subscription that is $15 a month. I've been getting it for years, and for the most part, I think it's an awesome box. Here and there, you know, you do get some kind of like crummy boxes, but overall I really do love it. I wouldn't be continuing to get it if I didn't. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this month is going to be Allure's Best of Beauty winners. Every year Allure does their Best of Beauty, so let's see what they have to say about what's the best. Alright, the first product I have is this NARS Velvet Lip Glide Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dulce Vita. I have gotten this before. I have gotten this once or twice as a birthday gift from Sephora Beauty Insider. So, I mean, I like the pencil itself. It's this color, it just, I don't like on myself. So this retails for $27. They're calling this a pinky nude. I mean, I guess so. I really like the color, and it's a pretty color, and I like the formula. It's just not a good color for me. So I'm not going to swatch it because I want to put this in a giveaway. The next product is the Ciate London. Oh, it's like holographic. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it because of the light. Maybe there. Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm in Gleam. Okay. So it says it's clear and glitter free, so it gives a lit from within look in the most natural way possible. So this retails for $26. It's clear, and what? Why do I want a clear highlighter? Yeah, it really is clear. Like you're literally not going to be able to see it because it's clear. Last time I checked, when you put a clear product on your face, it's going to be clear. And it's not going to show up. I mean, am I crazy? Like, I can understand that people want like a natural highlighting stick and not something that's, you know, really blinding, but on the more natural side. But this is almost like non-existent. It's like, why waste the time and put a product on that you're barely going to see? If it was me, I would rather use like a regular highlighting stick and just a very little amount and blend it out. That's just me. Really? This is Best of Beauty? Okay. Alright, moving right along. The next products I will mention because they are together. We have these Nature Lab Perfect Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. This duo won a Best of Beauty award in 2018 for calming frizz on every texture. Sulfate free. So these retail for $14 each. I mean, I'm sure it's great, but I was just expecting a lot more from their best products of the year. Alright. And it says they won in 2018, so why, last time I checked it was 2019. Did it win again? Anyways. The next product, is this La Roche-Posay Lipicar Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. This is very small, 0.17 ounces. This price is $14.99. Well, I don't have eczema. I'm sure this would be helpful for someone who did. I've gotten this brand from Allure before. I mean, it's good skincare, but it's like, why would they put eczema relief cream in a box? Like, this is something very specific. The next product is this Allure Brightening Facial Scrub. This is 1 ounce. This retails for $9.99. It says, most exfoliators are too harsh for my sensitive skin and broken capillaries, but this formula's superfine grit doesn't aggravate my skin or make it red at all. So apparently this was a Best of Beauty winner in 2016. Is that it? I have another product. Oh, like, the bonus is something I actually will want to try. It is this Nutrafol Hair Wellness from Within supplement. You get 28 capsules, has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, biotin, iodine, zinc, and selenium. Oh, okay, this is awesome. Physician formulated to multi-target key root causes that compromise hair health. Made with natural ingredients, clinically shown to increase hair growth and improve hair quality in women. Awesome. I'm actually excited for that. Wow. Honestly, I think the only thing out of this box that I'll use are the shampoo and conditioner. I was really disappointed in this box, especially the Best of Beauty. You know, I just expected a lot more. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And yeah. Alright, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.